Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this PC Sweet Smoky Grilling Butterfly Black Tiger Shrimp. This was on sale, so if you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients, and there's the nutrient panel. Let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. They're already on little sticks, so all you have to do is just heat it up. And let me see if they have air fryer instructions on here. Nope, conventional oven. So it says arrange the shrimp with the shell side down. Alright, 14 minutes. So I'm gonna cook it up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I got it aligned in my air fryer here, so I'm gonna cook it up right now. Okay, so here's the shrimp all cooked up, and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so I got a piece right there. Let's do a quick taste test. It's good. Yeah, it's actually quite good. It's got a lot of flavor from the barbecue sauce. It's not it's not over seasoned. Yeah. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's pretty good.